Welcome back to Making Adventure, guys. Today we're going to be finishing up our electrical bay bin. In this bin, of course, all of our major lithium components, all of our batteries, all those things will be inside this section of the bin. But first we're going to focus on this back section, and that's where our AC mini split's going to go. That's also going to be ran off our lithium, but it's back here to get it out of the way. So this door is different than all the other doors we put on. This door just needs to be unbolted off, and so it looks a little bit different. That's what we're going to do right now. So I know 1/4-20 rivet nuts are way overkill for holding this bin door on, but we have 1/4-20 rivet nuts and we have stainless bolts to go in them. So we're going to use what we got, save a little bit of money. We got to make sure when we mount this mini split that we have enough room to put our hands in here to actually put the bolts on, to bolt on that frame we just put on there. So I'm thinking maybe a little bit more. Let's move towards the back like another inch. I think that's plenty of space to swing a wrench to tighten that down, just in case we have to do any maintenance on the mini split. So now before we put this mini split back in, we need to put the wood for the bin in while we can still get to it easily.
You have to crawl in there to get it. Yep. You hold the bin, make sure it doesn't fall over with me in it, because that'd be real sucky. $53 even, right? Hey! Did you make a dot on me?
Alright, so that's going to be it for tonight. We got one of these doors done. Well, no, not done. We still need to put the handle on it. And then back over here, mini split is in. It's bolted down. And my coffee is wearing off. So I will see you guys tomorrow. But don't leave yet, because tomorrow is right now.
The secret for the best home brewed coffee is a dash of cinnamon.
Wow.
I made a mess. Damn. We're going to be mounting things on the back wall of this bin, so we're going to reinforce the panels so there's less floppage.
Since this bin is going to house all of our electrical systems, and we want to put that in right away, we're going to insulate it. The original plan was to spray foam the whole thing, but we think that this is going to be probably just as good R value wise and a whole lot cheaper, which means more coffee. Pick this up. Ooh. That was close. Can you pull it up? That could have been bad. Not bad at all. Alright, so we're going to paint it with Kills as a primer, and then we're going to cover it with an exterior paint to try to protect the wood, because the power cord is going to be drug in and out of this bin, and it's going to be wet, covered with grass and all that stuff. We just want to protect the wood a little bit. So this is the door for the air conditioner. I'm going to put a grate over this, but the air needs to flow through it, and it can't flow through solid aluminum, so I'm going to cut a hole in it. Same way we did before when we cut the hole in the side of the truck for the hot water heater, just horizontal.
The router slipped a couple of places, and we got that gouge there, and that little ripple right there on the side. That's okay. The grate's gonna go on top. So you won't see it as bad. You can still see it kind of if you look for it. It's not a big deal because it's just the air vent. For the most part, it'll be unnoticeable.
Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you like what we're doing or you found it at all useful, show us down below by hitting the thumbs up. And if you don't like it, then just tell us in the comments. But while you guys weren't looking, we actually put LEDs on the back of all of these bins that we built. Tune in next time and we're going to turn all of them on.